Let's move on to certification errors. So once you've posted your CRSC, SCSC, and SCTE records in CALPADS, more often than not, sometimes you might still have errors in CALPADS, certification errors involving the CTE information. So CERT122 is just stating that you're reporting the student as a concentrator, but there's no SCSC record with the appropriate concentrator course in CALPADS. So let's look at one student right now. Okay, I'm just switching back to the demo. So let's go to certification page. So currently I have here CERT 122. So missing SCSC record or incorrect pathway for CTE concentrator. So let's look at one student. We have Mo Zizlak. So we go to the student career technical education container. So we're claiming that the student is in pathway 111. And since this does not have a completion academic year ID, we're stating that this student is a concentrator. So now CALPADS will validate the SCSC record and determine if you have the correct SCSC information for the student. So this is getting a CERT 122 because we're using 7212. We're reporting a pathway of 111. So how do we investigate this? Well, let me just move this here. So let's look at pathway 111. So pathway 111 has all of this. So essentially, if I'm resolving a CERT 122, I'll have to filter for pathway 111 and look at what is essentially reported for a student in CALPADS. So you have 7212. 7212 is a capstone course, but I'm stating that the student is a concentrator because I'm missing the completion academic year. So there are two things that you have to consider here. Is the student a completer or is the student a concentrator? Now, if this student is a completer, since they finished the capstone course this year, then just modify this pathway and indicate the completion academic year. That should resolve your CERT 122 because now you're stating that the student is a completer and it has the corresponding state course code on the SCSC file. Now, let's say if the student is basically a concentrator and you have a capstone course here, then of course, the way to correct this is to add the concentrator course in this record. Now, there are some scenarios, rare scenarios, where students completed both the concentrator and the capstone course in the same academic year. Unfortunately, CALPADS can only allow you to report the CTE pathway code once in the current academic year, regardless if you're reporting a concentrator or capstone. So you have to prioritize what to report, meaning you have to report the higher status, which is a completion. So then you have to report the academic year ID instead of resolving this as a concentrator course. You can still report a concentrator course here because of course we still need to account for completed classes. However, in terms of the SCTE, just report the higher status. Okay, that's for CERT 122. Sometimes you get CERT 122 because there are timing issues. You've submitted the SCTE and posted it before the SCSC finished. And so when you go into this section, you see, oh, okay, there are no SCSC. That's an indicator that you haven't posted the record yet. So go to your view submission page in CALPADS here and post the records. Okay, it's simple as that.